Well, I'm gonna go get these in some water.
Wait, you stole those from these people's wedding?
No, I took them from the hotel lobby. Yeah, they think they can charge me for some dirty movie and a bag of my sugar nuts. They got another thing coming. Hey, my sweater.
You sure? Some extra crispy, dirty rice, beans?
For the last time, no! Get out! Get out!
Look at these videos. You know, I mean, who does he think he is? Magnum Force, Dirty Harry, Cool Hand Luke. Oh my God.
What?
You know, dirty talk, menage a trois, toys.
Wow.
Role playing. You could be the warden, she could be the prisoner.
In English vocabulary we will learn the word, dirty. It means, soiled with dirt, foul, unclean, dirty laundry. Also means spreading or imparting dirt, soiling, dirty smoke. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce dirty, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to dur. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how dirty is used in real life.
I took them from the hotel lobby. Yeah, they think they can charge me for some dirty movie and a bag.
Touch him. I just want to throw out my old oath and take a new dirty one. When's the dirty stuff starting?
And sometimes, underneath the horse would get dirt.
You know who doesn't even like dirty movies? My new boy. Oh, it's where you put the dirty ones.
Also look at the initials. They're dirty words.
I love when you talk dirty to me.
Don't. I like it dirty.
How dirty do you think I am?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.